Abigail gave me a birthday party.
Abigail, I'll read it for you. It's not what it says.
Go read
Happy
it.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
It surely doesn't say that.
It says
It does say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay. Hi guys. Fully
Cooked!
hi.
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 So today we're going to show you what we got at the Dollar Tree. I spent a lot of money there actually, but I got some pretty good stuff. I got a little burned, about just a few cents on some things that I could have gotten cheaper somewhere else. But I'm trying to still learn the prices in America. So I did okay for what I did. All right, so we get right into it. Abigail has a birthday coming up. So we wanted to get her some birthday stuff for it.
60 days for her birthday. 120 more days for me until my birthday.
That's right.
That means 180 days.
So
until mine.
she picked out this. And I think it's adorable. So we have plates and napkins, and I think this is like the best place to go for your party stuff. We got a happy birthday banner. I was really hoping that she would pick this out because I thought it was really cute and pretty for her. So we got hats and glasses. Okay, next thing I got was muscle rub, and it says compared to Bengay Vanishing Scent. So this is for Hadar's back. He's been going to a chiropractor, and they're actually putting CBD oil on him, but I thought this was, oh, and they have some kind of icy hot too. So I thought this was a good price for him to see if he likes this. Got some multiplication cards. This is for Raphael. And these seem really good. It says 3rd to 4th grade. He's already doing multiplication. 36 cards for $1. I got her the color and shapes flashcards just because she wanted to have cards as well. And these have Mrs. Potato Head on them.
My feet are stinky too.
Your shoes are on though.
My feet are stinky, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, he also got Subtraction. This one has 52 cards and it's from Teaching Tree brand. I got a game called Who Am I? And it's the game where you put like a card facing everybody else, but you don't know what it is. And it comes with rubber bands. And you have to give your person clues, like say it's an animal, it has 4 legs, and then the person has to guess what it is.
It roars like a tiger or a lion.
This voice.
I got this. This is a Birdhouse wind chime, and you paint it and put it together. It's from Woodshop, and she really wanted something. She really wanted something put together. So this is a birdhouse and also a wind chime. So I think that'll be nice. And he has already put together a helicopter.
Got an airplane and a race car.
So we got airplane and a race car, and I like the quality of these. It's very nice. I believe they're also the Teaching Tree. Oh no, it says Peachtree Playthings. So I got that. And it's like a drag racer set. Race car. For the car, I got high mileage fuel treatment. It's like an additive, and it says put it in every single tank full, but no. And I got leather and vinyl protectant. Cleans, conditions, and protects. Our car now has leather on it, and I also have a leather chair, so this will be good, and it's a full size in the auto care section. I got some Lusty oil moisturizer hair lotion. Eliminates dryness and breakage, softens and shines, non-greasy. This was in the ethnic hair section. However, I have used this since I was a little girl, and it was called Pink back then. And this stuff is really good for your hair. I got this for Hadar. He likes to clean his electronics, and this is like a pump, and you can put alcohol in it with a cotton swab and get it off of there, like a pump like that. I really like that. I had to look long and hard at this store to find special things like that.
Baskets.
I got
easy.
2 pink baskets.
Easy to look for.
All the baskets at Dollar Tree that are like this, they do. Okay, this one's broken. Might have to take this one back. It's broke.
Oh.
They do stack like that, so you can stack them up, but this one is broke. So I believe I'll take that one back. I got this. It's a Sterilite box. And you can use these for cleaning, but I'm going to use them for their pins and stuff because the one that I got, which was there as well, it's not good for pins because on the sides they fall out because they have bigger holes.
And we got some baskets. 3.
We got 3 of these. And this is for the kitchen. On one of my tables in the kitchen underneath the shelf. I got these for 4th of July to put in Abigail's hair, one of them. Raphael wanted a word hunt, so I got him a large print word hunt.
And we got some pineapple.
Yeah, this is one that I got burnt on because I could have got it at Aldi's for 85 cents. So it was 15 cents more. I got a sketch pad. This one is for Raphael. It has nice white paper. And I got this one for Abigail. It's a doodle pad and it's like an off-white, like almost brown natural paper. And this has 60 sheets, the other one has 40. It's a little higher quality.
We got some paper towel.
Yeah, and these are the custom sizes where you can make a little one or a medium one or a big one.
And what even is this?
This is an ice or heat pack. And I got 2 of these to put in our cooler, so it has to go in the freezer to freeze. I bought this so Hadar can keep his electronics clean. It's wipes for the TV.
And we got some 4 baskets. Oil or something.
No, it's not oil.
Here.
Go show what it is. This is flavoring for coffee. Yay! What is it? Hazelnut, I think.
And we also
Hazelnut.
got some drinks for my school. Some
Yes.
bottles.
And they have straws in them. And this is for his lunch for next year when he goes to school again. Abigail, what do you have? Tell the camera. Here, scoot over.
This is very, very mine.
Those are baskets.
Very, very yours? Okay. These are 4 red baskets. They used to be 3 for $1. Now it's 4. So I got 4. And this is 4 red baskets, the long ones.
And we
4
got
for
a
$1.
holder.
Yes, this is those things that you put in the cabinet to gain space. So you can put bowls here, plates on top, and I do use these. They're very helpful.
I need a. Oh, the pink.
Okay, hold on. All right, this one is Abigail's basket.
It's a pink basket.
This one's Abigail's basket, and this is what I'm going to do from now on,
I'm Canhead.
and that's Raphael's.
Abigail's Canhead, the zombie.
What I'm going to do when I'm folding clothes in my bedroom, I'm going to put all of their clothes in their basket. So her clothes in her basket, his clothes in his basket. And then I'm going to put them in their room, and they're going to put them away. Right?
And then
Okay.
Canhead.
Black pepper.
Canhead.
And that concludes my haul.
Bye.
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 Bye, everyone. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.